Okay, as I promised, when the page hits 300 likes, I will eat a Superhot, and we're gonna do a Facebook competition thingy with likes on the previous video. I will draw the winner on that tomorrow. I will eat a Fatalii Jigsaw Gourmet, and I got my good friend Fredrik to join me. Do you have anything to say before? We have something to wash it down with, the leijona, and we're in the Viking village celebrating Vaalibori. You guys who don't know what that is, Google it. There is a lot of people around here. We are keeping the 2-meter distance. So we're up to close to 400 persons. That's insane. So keep up the likes and so on. Let's do this. Are you ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh fuck. Good?
It starts stinging up.
Oh fuck.
You feeling good, Dick?
Amazing!
Turn on Netflix.
Oh fuck. This is worse than the Reaper. This is worse than the Reaper.
It hit the throat.
If you need yogurt, we have one.
Not yet.
It's just building. It gets worse. It doesn't stop.
You know what to say, best friends do stupid things together.
Oh fuck. That's normal. Are you having fun? The thing is, it's hard to speak, but it had more taste than the Reaper.
Alltså det är att mina armar vibrerar just nu. Det syns dock inte, det är bara nerverna.
My arms are vibrating, I can't feel them though.
Yeah, the endorphins come on.
So how long does this last?
About an hour. No, about 10 minutes. 15 mostly. Oh fuck. It's amazing.
Men smaken var faktiskt jättebra.
The taste is amazing on this one apparently, yeah. Oh fuck!
Daddy's being weird.
Alltså, du vet en pianosträng? Den känslan i mina armar hela tiden just nu. Oh. Whack!
It's kind of strange how a little fucking fruit can cause this much enjoyment.
Chili on hyvää.
Joo,
Ja tekee hyvää.
joo.
Oh god.
Fingrarna bort ifrån ögonen.
Leijona. Leijona.
Dyks first.
Leijona.
That was a kernel.
I think I might have to puke.
Ditt hörn är hela vägen där borta. Det är långt till hörnet, Dyk.
Det här är mitt hörn. Det här är ett
Det är en ny eftersmak.
No. Cheating.
Vad är ju lejonet?
I'm good at the moment. Oh. I think it's okay now.
leijona.
No. It's still burning in
Oh,
the
det börjar
mouth,
magen dock.
but the stomach is still on fire.
Den börjar precis koka upp.
It was really nice, and there will be follow-up videos. If I puke, someone will film it, I promise you. But yeah, thank you. Share the video with friends if you want to. It was worse than the Reaper, but it was worth it. Yeah, thanks and bye.